Did you know that the first AI program was written in 1951? It's hard to imagine that we would be where we are now just over half a century later, with AI advancements happening at a breakneck speed. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, the applications of AI are nearly endless and it's changing the world as we know it. But with this change comes questions and concerns about the ethics and regulations of AI. So in today's video, we will take you on a journey through the history of AI, different types of AI, the world's most advanced AI, and the ethical and regulatory questions that come with it. So get ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI and discover what you need to know about this rapidly evolving technology. Without further ado, let's get started. The history of AI. Artificial intelligence can be traced back to the 1930s when Alan Turing envisioned an abstract computing machine capable of learning from what it reads and independently producing new symbols. The Turing machine, a fictitious device, inspired the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. The first practical AI programs, such as Theseus, a remote-controlled mouse capable of navigating a labyrinth, and Ferranti Mark I, which displayed machine learning skills in checkers, were developed before the phrase artificial intelligence was coined. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 during the Dartmouth Conference, where experts convened to explore the future of computing. Alan Newell, Cliff Shaw, and Herbert Simon's logic theorist, widely regarded as the first authentic instance of AI, was presented during the conference. However, the lack of computational capacity hindered the development of AI. Expert systems, which let computers mimic expert decision-making, and deep learning, which allowed computers to learn through experience, were developed in the 1980s. AI flourished in the 1990s and 2000s, accomplishing many of its original objectives, including the capacity to outperform a grandmaster chess player. The enormous amounts of data and very efficient processors that were available, which sparked significant advancements in game AI, were major factors in this achievement. IBM's Watson defeated two Jeopardy champions in 2011, and Google X opened the field of deep learning in 2012 by identifying cats in a video. In 2013, DeepMind Technologies defeated numerous Atari games using a single model. And in 2016, Google's AlphaGo beat the European champion, the world champion, and herself in the Asian board game Go. By 2017, Google's AlphaZero became a master at chess, Go, and Shaji. Today, AI is advancing due to the availability of large sums of data and more powerful computers, allowing for significant development in various sectors. The development of sophisticated natural language processing, picture recognition, and decision-making systems, which are now employed in multiple applications including healthcare, finance, entertainment, defines the present era of AI. So what is the current state of AI? Understanding artificial intelligence. If you've ever wondered what artificial intelligence is, it's the ability of computer programs to accomplish tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, and problem-solving. The chatbots on social media and smart home assistants like Alexa, Google Home are just two examples of how this futuristic technology has already infused itself into our daily lives. The Generative Pre-training Transformer, a potent tool for developing language models that can write and generate content like humans, helped AI become more widely accepted in 2022. The most well-known application of this technology is OpenAI's ChatGPT, who acquired popularity quickly and has become to represent AI in many customers' eyes. But when it comes to the numerous applications of AI that exist now, ChatGPT is merely the tip of the iceberg. The capacity of AI to learn from data and making judgments based on the learning is one of its fundamental characteristics. This is referred to as machine learning, which enables computer systems to develop without the help of a human being continuously. A potent subset of machine learning called deep learning enables software to learn and analyze enormous volumes of unstructured data, including text, photos, and videos. As technology progresses, what was formerly termed as artificial intelligence is now becoming regular, such as speech, image, and text recognition. However, AI is not merely a subject of computer science. It is a multidisciplinary method that includes elements of linguistics, psychology, mathematics, and other fields. Types of AI. Let's start by discussing narrow AI. Some of the most well-known voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant were created using this kind of AI. But what precisely is narrow AI? Imagine it as being a specialist who is an expert in a particular area. Without having general intelligence, narrow AI is made to complete specific jobs or address issues, similar to a one-trick pony. But what a great trick! Outstanding accomplishments like picture identification, censoring inappropriate material online, and answering simple customer service service inquiries are all made possible by narrow AI. Then we have the general AI, the next level of AI development. This is when things start to heat up. General AI is similar to a master of all trades. It can reason, pick up knowledge, and think like a person. Think of a machine that can comprehend any intellectual task, think abstractly, and apply its understanding to new challenges. AI research's ultimate goal is a machine or a system with common sense. But wait, there's more. We have the super AI. For a good reason, this is the stuff of science fiction. Super AI is a system in which a machine's intelligence exceeds every form of human intelligence in every way and outperforms humans in every task. It can destroy all of us, like a superhero. Super AI may seem frightening, yet it has the potential to bring forth enormous advancements in technology, health, and other fields. Now that you know the types, which AI system are the top ones in the world today? Top world's most advanced AI. GPT-3, the third series of generative language models built by OpenAI, ranks first among the world's most advanced AI. The largest neural network ever developed, trained on gigabytes of data with an astounding 175 billion parameters, this system is not your typical language model. GPT-3 can almost do anything you ask to it, from writing a project thesis to creating a whole blog, for a computational cost of nearly $4.3 million. Ask it about the weight of 1 kilogram of cotton versus 1 kilogram of iron, and it will respond that they both weigh the same. It can even react to cognitive tasks like a person. But OpenAI isn't content to sit on its laurels. They constantly strive for advancement. For this reason, they developed ChatGPT, an improved version of GPT-3, also known as GPT 3.5. ChatGPT can converse with people and even respond to follow-up queries. Now we have the most recent language model from OpenAI, GPT-4. It can process up to 25,000 words in a single request using a fantastic 100 trillion parameters. GPT-4 is a multimodal AI that can process not just text, but also visuals and sounds, in contrast to its predecessor GPT-3. Then there is the AlphaGo, a DeepMind AI that gained notoriety in 2016 when it defeated the world's most intelligent Go player in a 5-game battle. We initially believed that this old Chinese board game was challenging without human intuition. Deep reinforcement learning is a technique for training machine learning models, and AlphaGo uses it to play the game more imaginatively than any human ever has. Unfortunately, several philosophical discussions have been about the ethical implications of AI's rapid development. Although AI has benefits visible in many different industries, the technology also has risks, as AI has grown tremendously and assumed a larger and more prominent role in society. These threats have come into sharper focus. So what kind of an ethical dilemma is here? Ethics and regulation. The use of technology raises issues with how economics is often applied, particularly concerning the problem of economic inequality and how AI affects that imbalance. Wealth inequality has been rising globally in recent decades, even though economic policies usually seek to eliminate gaps in wealth distribution. AI is frequently blamed for escalating the unemployment issue and widening the wealth gap because it dramatically reduces reliance on human labor. Companies using AI have a much greater potential for financial success than others, which may result in economic inequality. While the numerous economic and ethical considerations are an opposite, economic decisions must be made to ensure that everyone in the economy benefits from automation and AI. AI-driven inequality is a result of political and economic decisions that are unrelated to technology. The ethics of AI concern the economy, not the technology. The fact that AI depends on computers to read data raises moral concerns regarding bias in data. AI is not necessarily impartial, although it can analyze vast volumes of data more quickly than humans. Bias can result from relying on inaccurate or flawed information that reflects historical disparities, incomplete or unrepresentative data set, or both. By preserving complete and representative data sets and taking any other necessary precautions, those involved in AI must lessen the problem. That's where regulations come in. National and international regulatory frameworks are required to ensure AI helps society while reducing risks. Ensuring AI is still human-centered and works for people rather than against them is essential to effective regulation. But regulating AI is difficult, as technology is developing quickly and there are different views on its ethical implications. While some nations like Australia and the EU have made headway, the US and the UK have taken a more hands-off approach, depending instead on existing laws and self-regulation. Innovation, expansion, and the practical use of technology will determine how AI develops in the future. As we wrap up, we leave you with a question. How will we continue to shape shape the future of AI, and what role will it play in our lives? As technology advances at an unprecedented pace, we must ensure that AI remains ethical, transparent, and human-centered, whether through collaborations across borders or responsible regulation at the national and international level. It's clear that the future of AI depends on all of us. So let's keep the conversation going and work together to unlock the full potential of this powerful tool while safeguarding the values that make us human. That's all from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.